Yay, you gotta love how well this door opens now. Look at this thing. It's actually just works the way it's supposed to. I gotta tell you, the frustration that has been in my life for the last couple of years because of this stupid door and a toleration that I was putting up with because I didn't have the bandwidth or the time or the expertise to be able to fix this. This part of our doorknob here literally was not working properly, and it took a lot of energy because when you pushed down on it, it didn't actually activate the little plunger thing to come out to open the door. So you had to pull in on the door and you had to kind of grit your teeth and almost break your thumb to get the stupid thing to come down. And I put up with that, and our family put up with that and tolerated that for almost 2 years. And again, I say this in humility because this is definitely not one of my finer moments. But I share with you because in our company, we have a thing called tolerations, which is part of a broader category of energetic space occupying lesions, ESOLs, which is all part of a broader construct of the focus blocks that may be inhibiting you from expressing your God-given, genius and talent to the world. This was an example of a toleration for me. I tolerated this silly door thing not working properly, and every time I came in and out of that door, it bugged me and frustrated me. That's taking up bandwidth in my mind and in my being that's blocking me from having the time and energy and focus I need to do other things in my life because it's just hanging around back here and spinning. So I actually went to a local hardware store and I bought a brand new whole door opening thing and a lock and everything. I thought, we're going to get this to change. I'm very big on staying in your lane and doing what it is that you're meant to do on this planet. I'm not here to be a handyman fixing doors. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. And I could do this, but it would probably take me hours to try and figure out how to do it and change it all. So I found a handyman service that I have on a call status now, thankfully. And I called them up and said, look, I need to get this door changed, but you know what? Maybe the door thing isn't that screwed up. The plunger thing just isn't working right. Maybe something just needs to be tweaked or something. Guy said, look, if we can't tweak it, we'll replace it for you. We'll come. It's $95 to do a house call, flat per hour. And I said, fine, done, come. So the guy comes. He's gone in 12 minutes. Because all he had to do was take the thing apart, tighten up a couple of loose screws, literally, and the thing now works like a charm. It worked like the day we put it in there many years ago. So I share this with you in humility because I definitely tolerated something for longer than I should have. All it took was doing a little bit of research to find the right person to do the job for me. The guy said, you know what? We usually charge $95 for a house call. He said, I'm only charging you 20 because I was only here 12 minutes. So again, tolerations, don't tolerate them. Get a game plan, take action steps, take them out of your life, either do them or delegate them, get them out of your life because of the difference it'll make in you fulfilling your mission to humanity.